on a vacation, on a hotel. Friends, you can see I'm enjoying my vacation. On a beach. You can see the whole Colombo City from here. See, whole Colombo City. That is Colombo Port. And you can see there which is enjoying my vacation on beach. So friends, I will meet you in my next one video. Till then, bye. And please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my video, and comment on my videos. So bye friends.
कहाँ चलेंगे?
Now we are going back to our home. Our vacation is done. Now we are going back to our home. Friends, you can see that is the parking area. And this is the tennis square. And this is the garden. And this is the front garden. You can see pine trees. See friends, it's so beautiful. At the back side, you have ocean, beach. So friends, you can see this is the hotel. That is the hotel. So friends, we are going back to our home. So friends, I will meet you in my next fun video. Till then, bye. And please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and comment on my videos. So bye friends.